What's up, guys? So as you know, I'm doing some prep on the 240, getting this thing ready to hit the street. So yes, the panels are here, and we're finally gonna make our dash panel. Before, that piece I was throwing, you know, wrong size, way too thick. I couldn't cut through it. But let me not show my address. This right here is the new size. There's 3 pieces in here, so if I mess up, you know, we'll still be good. We don't have to be perfect first try. Even though I hope we are, we don't have to be. We don't have to worry as much. My table's over there. Boom. I'm gonna go pull that out, put it down, unbox this for you guys, and then you guys know I traced this out. I didn't film this. I did film this, but I didn't upload it just because like there's supposed to be a video, and then the ABS plastic ended up being too thick, so I didn't even upload it. But I did make a cutout, and probably gonna take this, make another one, just so you guys can see how I do it, because I know some people want to make this for their car. So I'm gonna kind of go through the whole motion so everyone can see how it's done. I have a lot of trouble tracing out the cardboard when it comes to that, but I'm gonna just try it again. You know, why not get better at it? So I'm gonna get the table out, then we can start. Okay. Table's out. I'm gonna get the dash on here, unbox this, and then we'll start doing the tracing for the panel. You can find them on Amazon. They're pretty cheap right now. With the quarantine though, shipping is kind of delayed. I got 3 sheets. I will put the sizes and everything somewhere up on the screen because you gotta get the right size so it's not too thick. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is so cool. Yo. The back is smooth. The one I had before wasn't this smooth, so that's why I was kind of like, whoa, when I took it out the box. Usually what I do is I put this around on the top and I use a blade like this and I cut out, but like to me that's so hard. So I'm gonna try for the first time to just cut it with scissors and see if that like, I don't know, works better. So every time I lift and I cut, I don't know if I'm on center or off center. So what I'm gonna do now is pick a point, and then I'm gonna get the Sharpie and draw the line straight. So every time I lift it up and put it back, I line it up to make sure it's on center. All right, these are the 2 prototypes. That's the one I did before. This is the one I did just now. This one, see, okay, they look the same, right? But they're not the same. This one's more symmetrical than this. And also, jagged edges. And that means it's harder to trace and get a clean cut. These edges are way smoother than the other one. Sucker's all traced out. Now to fill these little lines in, and then we're gonna cut it out with some scissors. Boom. Make sure you have some big, like strong scissors, and it'll cut through pretty good. Boom, final product came out lit. Only thing is, these bottom edges, I was struggling with the scissors and they broke, so it's jagged. I'm gonna quickly just sand that down. Oh, that's so smooth. We're gonna clean this table up again and then get the dash back on there. So I'll see you guys when that's cleaned. All right. Okay, so we cleaned that up. Now, I actually forgot. We're not gonna mold it yet because we have to cut out a spot for the switches and also for the AFR gauge and the alternator light. Got these suckers out. About 8 1/4, so. That came out so good. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, so after like a whole 3 hours of struggling, cutting, crimping, like all that, the dash is in, everything's in. It's pretty rad. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Plug the battery in and then test out my switches because I forgot which ones are which. I just kind of threw them in. That looks freaking sick. ECU, yes. And then we have our charge light. I forgot I had the charge light on there. That's so rad. That's so rad. Yo, guys, that gauge looks sick. This looks freaking sick, dude. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed and you want to see more of this beautiful car right here. If you guys just peeped that, this is a little drain pan, power steering fluid, spark plugs, because we have our rad hoses coming on Monday. And then we're gonna replace that so we can get immediate water temps. I'll make a video on that. Power steering, we're gonna be able to test that out. I'll make a video on that, both of them in the same video probably. But stay tuned for the next upload. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more, getting this thing ready. I did not forget about the burnout, guys. That's why we got the spark plugs and everything else. The only thing is the open diff, which I'm pretty sure this car has an open diff. So we're gonna figure that out. I might get it welded as a surprise for you guys. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.